First time I've ever hit a bonus on checkered flag. Good Lord, let's make it a good one. 5 cent, 250 bet. Come on, baby. First ever bonus on checkered flag. What do we get here? Okay. Come on. Retrig or something. Yeah. Think that's good, right? Think that's good? It's the first time I ever get a bonus on this game. All right, let's see what it is. 75. Let's keep that party going. Oh. Oh, that's good. Dang it. Dang it. Come on, another good one. Finish off good. Okay, I like it. 88.60, man. Okay, we'll take it. We're back in it.